Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about IELTS Writing Task 2. In this task, you need to write an essay in about 40 minutes. It is very important because it carries more marks than Task 1. Today's question is a two-part or double question essay, which means you must answer to questions clearly in your essay. So, let's understand how to structure and write a high-quality answer step by step.
To write a good IELTS essay, structure is very important. We will follow a simple 4-paragraph structure. First, introduction. Second, body paragraph 1. Third, body paragraph 2. And at last, conclusion. Each paragraph has a clear purpose. Body 1 paragraph 1 answers the first questions and the body paragraph 2 answers the second question. If your structure is clear, your essay will be easier to read and score higher. In IELTS, your introduction should do 3 things. Paraphrase the question, give a general statement, clearly mention what the essay will discuss. For example, we start by saying that people spend a large part of their life working. Then we explain that job satisfaction is important for well-being. Finally, we say that this essay will discuss the factors of job satisfaction and whether it is realistic for all workers. Keep your introduction short, clear and formal. This paragraph answers the first question, what factors contribute to job satisfaction? Start with a topic sentence like, there are several important factors, then explain your ideas one by one. First, salary. People need money for comfortable life. Second, work environment. Good colleagues and management. Third, career growth, learning and promotion opportunities. Finally, work-life balance, time for the personal life and health. Make sure you explain each point clearly, not just list them. You can also add small examples to make your answer stronger. This paragraph answers the second question. Is job satisfaction realistic for all workers? Start with a clear opinion. It is not entirely realistic, then explain why. People have different interests and expectations. Some jobs are stressful like healthcare or construction. Many people work for money, not for passion. So, not every people can feel satisfied with their job. Always support your ideas with logical explanations. Finally, we come to the conclusion. In this part, you should summarize the main ideas, give a final opinion. For example, we say that salary, environment, growth and balance are important for job satisfaction. However, it is not realistic for all the workers to achieve it. Keep your conclusions short and do not add new ideas. This will give a strong ending to your essay. That's all for today. Signing out.